is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm producing waterspouts was located over Wilmette Harbor, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts to 40 knots, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Montrose Harbor and Wilmette Harbor. At 7 p.m. in Chicago, O'Hare thunder was reported. The temperature was 53 degrees. The dew point was 40.